Sir, follow-up question. This is a very controversial issue po kasi. What is the connection of Angel Locsin's sister, or aka Kaela, to the New People's Army?
ATA?
Also known as Kaela, sir.
Ka-Eric?
Kaela.
Kaela. Okay. Si Kaela, ito, pakinggan mo, Obet, hindi ka naman nag-NPA, bakit alam mo na wala ako sa NPA? Ikaw din, Lian Porquilla, sa Facebook nyo. I was deployed to the NPA National Operational Command in the last part of 2002 hanggang 2008. The rest, I worked as project support to the effort of the government for peace and security. Yan ang katotohanan. So, si Ella Colmenares, na kapatid ni Miss Angel Locsin, ay nasa Polillo Island, Pamatdan, Barangay Pamatdan. If I am not mistaken, guerrilla base area ito. At nandun siya bilang medic ng platoon. She was issued with M16 Baby Armalite. She was there using the name Insay and Tina. 2002-2003. She went back mga middle or late part of 2004, kaya ang inilabas na transcript sa kanya 2005, 2006 I think. And kaya nga siya ay na-appoint, na-nominate bilang third nominee sa party list yata ng kabataan. Because bumalik siya. But it is not true na hindi siya naging NPA. I think she started as CPP and underground KM sa UST. Started with LFS. So, nandun din siya sa Panukulan. Polillo Island Province, Polillo Island Municipalities yan, Bordeos, Panukulan, Pamatnungan, and Polillo Island. Ang pinakamalakas sila sa Polillo Island. So, I don't want to justify further on. General Parlade was correct. Maybe he was only about confused on the date. Kasi matagal na yun eh. So, kami nakakaalam yan. Kasi nandun ang NPA National Operational Command, we were planning to raid the Municipal Police Station of Polillo at the same time of Bordeos. Pero in 2008, successfully na-raid po ang Panukulan Municipal Police Station. So, these are facts na hindi alam nila Obet at nila Lian unless you confirm that you are indeed part of the CPP, NPA, NDF and you are covering up for the CPP, NPA, NDF. And then, sina-challenge ako, wag daw kami magkita. Parang tinatakot niya pa ako kasi proud na proud siya na may NPA sa likod niya. Sabi ko nga kanina, baka ang dapat kong sabihin sa iyo at sa inyo, hindi dahil sa government ako, parang gusto ko kayong harapin. Ang masasabi ko lang, if I say the truth and I stand for the cause of peace and for the cause of the mothers and children na biniktima natin noon at ninyo ngayon, kahit po saan tayo magkita, aantayin ko pong pagkikita na yun. Sana magkita na tayo. Obet and Lian, sana magkita tayo. I wish we could meet.